Hello, today we're going to talk about polynomials, how we add, subtract polynomials, and also we're going to talk about division and multiplication polynomials. Now let's start with this. Let's find the sum of the polynomials. Here we have 8x cubed minus 2x squared plus 6x minus 2 and 3x to the fourth power minus 2x cubed plus x squared plus x. Well, first we're gonna add like terms with the same power. As we see, we have 8x cubed and negative x cubed, right? And then we have minus 2x squared and x squared, right? And then we have 6x with x, right? So we have this one, 3x to the fourth power with nothing. So we're gonna write 3x to the fourth power, right? The second degree, we have 8x cubed minus 2x cubed is 6x cubed. Now we take the difference between the two values and the sign of the highest number. Then we have negative 2x squared plus x squared is minus x squared. Then we have 6x plus x is 7x. Then we have left a number here, it's negative 2. And this is the final answer. Alright, so here we have subtracting polynomials. So first we have to remove the parentheses because we have negative, so we can change the sign, right? So here we have 3x to the fourth power minus 4x cubed plus 6x squared minus 1. Now minus 2 to the x 2x to the fourth power plus 8x squared plus 6x plus 5. Excuse me. As we remove the parentheses, so we have negative with positive is negative, and negative with negative is positive. Negative times negative is positive, and negative times positive is negative. That's why I'm supposed to write negative here. Yes. Okay. Sounds good. Now here we have we can add 3x to the fourth power with negative x to the fourth power, right? And here we have 6x negative 4x cubed with nothing actually, okay? And then we have 6x squared with 8x squared. Then we have 6x, and finally we have a value here, negative 5. Let me just take this. All right. Okay. Now 3x to the fourth power minus 2x to the fourth power is x to the fourth power. This is gone. Negative 4x cubed with nothing will stay the same. And here we have 6x squared plus 8x squared is 14x squared, right? Then we have 6x minus, well, here we have, wait a second. Here we have, I forgot to do this. We have, okay, we have negative 5 with negative 1, which is negative 6 here. Right, the number with the number. And this is the answer. This is the final answer. Okay, let's move to something else. Now we're talking about multiplying polynomials. And we're going to take this example. So here we have find the product of 2x plus 5 times x squared minus x plus 2. Well, we can just use distributive property. So we multiply 2x with x squared and 2x with negative x and 2x with 2, and then we get 5 times x squared, 5 times negative x, and 5 times 2. What 2x times x squared is 2x cubed, and 2x times negative x is minus 2x squared. Now 2x times, let me just like do it slowly here, all right? Let me just like go step by step. Make sure that everybody got the idea here. Well, I said, well, 2x times x squared plus 2x times negative x plus 2x times 2, right? Plus, now I'm talking about this one here, right? 5 times x squared minus 5 times x, right? Plus 5 times 2. All right, so that would be equal to 2x cubed and 2x, let me just no, so here we have 2x times x squared is 2x cubed. 2x times negative x is minus 2x squared. 2x times 2 is 4x plus 5x squared. So we have this one, and negative 5x, and 5 times 2 is 10. And I think this is all right. Now we have to add like terms. Now we have to add like terms. As we see here, let me just have space here. Can make it this way. So as we see here, we have 2x cubed with nothing, and then we have negative 2x squared and 5x squared, which is plus 3x squared, because we have negative 2 plus 5 is positive 3, right? This is gone. And here we have 4x minus 5x is minus x, and this is plus 10. And I believe this is the final answer, right? This is the final answer. Okay. All right, we continue here. We have multiplying polynomials. For a, we have x minus 3 times x plus 3. Well, here we can use a property called difference of two squares, right? The difference of two squares. When we have a minus b times a plus b equals a squared minus b squared. And this is what we can use here. It's going to be x squared minus 3 squared, which is x squared minus 9. All right? Well, here we have b, we have x plus 2 squared. We can use the square of binomials or perfect squares, right? So when we have a minus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And the same with negative. If we have a minus b squared is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And this is what we can use here. Since we have plus, right? So it's going to be x squared plus 2x times 2, which is 4x, plus 2 squared, which is 4. The same thing here. We have x minus 3 squared. It's going to be x squared minus 2x3, which is 6x, minus 2ab, plus 3 squared, which is 9. Right? That's how it works. Now here we have x plus 3 times x plus 1. So here we can use distributive property. So d, we can write d here. So we got x plus 3 times x plus 1 equals, now x times x and x times 1, 3 times x and 3 times 1. And that's going to be x squared plus x plus 3x plus 3. Okay? So we add x squared plus 4x plus 3. And that's the final answer, I think. Okay. Well, let's continue here. Well, let's do the last one. Here we have with the last one here we have e. So e, we have 2x squared, so it's going to be 2x squared. Well, we can do it directly. 2x times actually, just 1 second. So do it here. Oh, we can leave that one here. So let's do it here. E. All right. So we got 2x times 3x and 2x times 4. No, 2x times 3x is 6x squared. And 2x times 4 is 8x. 1 times 3x is 3x. And 1 times 4 is 4. And equals 6x squared plus 11x plus 4. And that's the final answer. Okay. Alright, so here we're going to talk about cube of binomials or perfect cubes when we have x. Okay, let me just change the color here. So we got a plus b cube equals a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. Alright. Let me have an example here where we can do x plus 2 cube. So we just substitute a by x, so it's going to be x cube plus 3 times x times 2, okay, plus x squared. As we see, the degree is getting lower for x and it's getting higher for 2, plus 3x times 2 squared plus 2 cube. Now this is x cube plus 3 times 2 is 6, x squared, and 3 times 4, 2 squared is 4, 3 times 4 is 12, x plus 8. And that's the final answer. Right? Well, the same thing with minus. If we have minus here, a minus b, so it will be minus 3a squared plus b, minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared, and minus b cubed. Okay, let's have an example here for minus. Let's suppose we have like x minus 1 cube. So it's going to be x cube minus 3x squared times 1, right? Plus 3x times 1 squared, which is 1, of course, minus, let me just erase this. Alright, so minus 1 cube. So the answer will be x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 1. And that's the final answer. So this is called cube of binomials or perfect cubes. Let's move to another thing here. Now we're gonna try difference of two cubes and the sum of two cubes, for example. Let's see if we have x cubed. So x cubed. Well, let me just. We have a cube minus b cube. Okay. So equals a minus b times a squared plus ab, not 2ab, it's ab plus b squared. Well, here we have, let's take an example. We got like x cubed minus 1, or minus, let's do 8, minus 8, right? So x cubed minus 8 means, well, first, we can change this one, to 8. X cubed minus 8 is equal x cubed minus 2 cubed. The same thing, right? So we got x minus 2 times x squared plus ab, which is 2x, plus b squared, which is 4. And this is final answer, right? Now, if we have plus, what's going to happen? Okay, if we have plus, well, we're going to add plus here, and this one will be minus. Okay? For example, let's suppose we have x cubed plus 8, which is x cubed plus 2 cubed, right? So it will be x minus 2, x plus 2 times x squared minus, because we have minus here, see, we have minus here, minus ab, which is 2x, and because we have plus here, it's going to be plus 2 squared, which is 4. Right, so now we're going to talk about dividing two polynomials, right? And we're going to do find the quotient and the remainder when 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus x plus 7 is divided by x squared plus 8. Well, we're just going to use long division here. So we're going to use long division. Here we have, so 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus x plus 7 over x squared plus 1. But we'll take the first one. 3x squared cubed over x squared is 3x. Now 3x times x squared is 3x cubed. We're just going to write the opposite value here. All right? Now 3x times 1 will be 3x, right? So it's going to be 3x here. We're not going to put it here, right? This is because we have 4x squared, so we must add like variables. So this is going to be this will stay empty. This is plus 0. Okay, it's plus 0. Now we add the first term with the second term, right? We have 3x cubed minus 3x cubed will be 0. 4x squared plus 0 is 4x. It's 4x squared, and x plus 3x is 4x. And then we have 7 will go down, will be 7 here. Now 4x squared over x squared is 4, actually. 4 times x squared is 4x squared. Here we write the opposite value, okay? And then 4 times 1 is 4, okay? Now, let's have some space here. Then we add them up. This is will go. Now 4x times nothing is 4x. 7 plus 4 is actually 4 times 1. 4 times 1 is 4. We have to write the opposite number here, which is going to be minus 4. It's a mistake. Okay. Now 7 minus 4 is 3. All right. This is how we get this one. And let me make sure everything correct here. So 4 times x squared is minus 4x, and 4 times 4 is negative 4, right? Here we have, oh, there's something wrong here. Now 3x times 1 is 3x, and we're supposed to write minus 3x. Okay. Now x minus 3x is minus, let me erase this, is minus 2x here. So this is minus 2x. Okay. Minus 2x. And minus 2x plus 0 is going to be minus 2x, will stay the same, right? So the remainder will be minus 2x, right? I made a mistake here. Because 3x times 1 is 3x, I'm supposed to write minus 3x, the opposite value, then we add them up. Okay, now, so 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus x plus 7 equals 3x, the quotient, right, times x squared plus 1, right? So it's the quotient times divisor, right, plus remainder, which is minus 2x plus 3. Okay, right? So this is going to be so the quotient would be this one. This is going to be this is going to be the quotient. This is u. Let's make sure. And this is a remainder. Minus 2x plus 3. It's going to be remainder. Okay.